Why do freshers struggle to get jobs? Job hunting pa rin? Hi, I'm Chelsea, one of the sourcing specialists here at Orbit for 6 years now. Let's talk about bakit nga ba struggle para sa mga freshers ang job hunting at paano mo to malalampasan. Number 1, lack of experience. Unang dahilan ng experience. Isa ito sa pinaka-common na problema. Most companies naghahanap ng may experience, pero paano nga ba magkakaroon ng experience kung walang gustong magbigay ng chance, di ba? Solution? Internships, freelance work, or kahit anong volunteer jobs. Pwede mo ring i-highlight ang skills mo sa portfolio or LinkedIn. Number 2, mahina ang resume and cover letter. Let's be real, hindi lahat marunong gumawa ng killer resume and cover letter. Minsan generic, minsan kulang sa impact. Gawin mong specific at tailored sa job na ina-applyan mo. Gamitin mo ang keywords sa job description at syempre, i-check mo kung may typo. Huwag puro to whom it may concern, effortan mo ng konti. Number 3, kulang sa networking. Truth bomb. Minsan, hindi lang what you know, kundi who you know ang nagmamatter. Maraming job opportunities ang hindi ina-advertise. Nasa loob lang ng networks. Join LinkedIn, attend job fairs, makipag-connect sa alumni, at huwag mahiyang magtanong kung may job openings. Number 4, poor interview skills. Kahit perfect ang resume mo, kung hindi ka confident sa interview, mahirap makapasok. Minsan kulang sa preparation, minsan kabado din masyado. Practice answering common interview questions, alamin ang company background, at ang pinaka-importante, be confident. Number 5, high expectations with low skills. Reality check. Fresh grads minsan masyadong mataas ang expectations sa first job. High salary, big positions, pero kulang sa skills. Kaya minsan, nare-reject. Mag-start sa entry level, build your experience, at i-develop ang skills mo. Lahat dumaan sa ganitong phase. Getting a job as a fresher is not easy, pero hindi rin imposible. Focus on improving your skills, networking, and applying smartly. Hindi ka nag-iisa, kaya laban lang. Kung relatable sa'yo, share mo to sa mga friends mo na naghahanap pa rin ng trabaho. At kung may questions ka, comment below. Good luck, fresh grads!